Forget magnesium pills. Take this at bedtime to feel young again. You know that moment when you wake up tired, even after 8 hours of sleep? When your body feels heavy, your mind foggy, and your motivation slips away even though you did everything right? Most people blame stress or age. But what if the problem isn't you? What if your body is missing a natural key, something that can't come from a pill? Tonight, we're diving into the real science of restorative minerals, cellular energy, and one nighttime habit that helps your body rebuild while you sleep. Because feeling young again isn't about turning back time. It's about giving your body what time slowly took away. The hidden role of magnesium. Magnesium is involved in more than 300 biochemical reactions in your body. It helps muscles relax, keeps your heart steady, supports nerve communication, and regulates hormones that help you sleep and recover. Yet, most adults in the US don't get enough of it. The result? Low energy, poor sleep, muscle tension, and that sense of always being tired. So, we pop magnesium pills. But here's the truth. Your body doesn't absorb all magnesium forms equally. Some end up in your digestive tract instead of your cells. That's where nature's smarter solution comes in. Why natural sources work better than pills. When you get minerals from real food, your body recognizes them as part of a natural matrix paired with enzymes, vitamins, and plant compounds that improve absorption. Think of it like this. A pill is a single instrument. Whole foods are the entire orchestra: harmony, balance, and rhythm. Here are 5 nighttime sources that beat synthetic pills. Pumpkin seeds, packed with magnesium, zinc, and antioxidants. Snack on a handful before bed for natural muscle relaxation. Bananas contain magnesium and potassium. Together they calm the nervous system. Spinach or kale smoothie. Leafy greens deliver magnesium in its natural form with chlorophyll, aiding detox and sleep. Almonds or cashews. Gentle on digestion, rich in healthy fats and minerals. Mineral-rich water or Epsom salt bath. Transdermal absorption through the skin. Lets magnesium reach your cells directly. The science of nighttime renewal. When you fall asleep, your body begins repair mode. Your cells use magnesium to produce ATP, the molecule that powers energy. Without enough magnesium, that repair process slows. You wake up feeling like your battery's never fully charged. Adding natural magnesium-rich foods or a topical magnesium oil before bed does 2 things. Relaxes your muscles and nerves, helping you fall asleep faster. Rebalances your stress hormones, so your body stays calm through the night. It's not a sedative, it's a signal to your body that it's safe to rest and rebuild. Combine magnesium with supporting nutrients. To truly feel youthful again, magnesium needs partners in recovery. Here's what to add. Vitamin B6 improves magnesium uptake and energy metabolism. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation and protect brain health. Collagen and protein rebuild connective tissues, especially after workouts. Hydration with electrolytes keeps the heart and muscles balanced overnight. Try this bedtime smoothie. Almond milk, a half banana, plus spinach, chia seeds, dash of cinnamon. It's light, mineral-rich, and deeply restorative. The mind-body connection. You can't separate physical energy from mental calm. Magnesium supports both serotonin and melatonin pathways, the chemistry behind good mood and deep sleep. That's why people who restore their mineral balance often say, "I don't just sleep better, I feel better." Pair your natural intake with mindfulness before bed. Put your phone away 30 minutes early. Stretch your shoulders and back. Breathe slowly, letting your muscles unclench. This combination trains your nervous system to slow down just like it did when you were younger. A 7-day reset routine. Night action purpose: warm shower plus magnesium oil massage. Muscle release: 2 banana plus almond snack. Nerve relaxation: 3 spinach smoothie. Remineralization: 4 Epsom salt foot soak. Cellular recovery: 5 gentle yoga plus breathing. Deep relaxation: 6 add B vitamin source. Energy metabolism: 7 digital detox 1 hour before sleep. Natural melatonin rise within a week. Most people notice clearer mornings and calmer nights. What to avoid? Even healthy routines can backfire if combined with heavy caffeine late in the day. Alcohol before bed. Processed foods high in sodium, they drain magnesium. Constant screen exposure before sleep. Restoration thrives in silence, darkness, and calm. The emotional impact of feeling recharged. When your body feels renewed, confidence returns. You walk differently. You speak with clarity. You handle stress without snapping. That's what feeling young again really means, not chasing youth, but restoring balance. Forget quick fixes and endless supplements. Your body already knows how to heal you, just have to give it the raw materials. Tonight, skip the pill bottle. Choose a natural bedtime ritual that lets your body do what it was designed to do. Rebuild, refuel, and rise stronger. Because youth isn't an age, it's a state of restoration. And that starts while you sleep. They say energy fades with age. But what if that's not true at all? What if your body is still capable of the same strength, focus, and drive? It just needs the right conditions to remember how. Forget pills and complicated regimens. This is your nighttime recharge protocol, the system that teaches your body to power up while you sleep. Battery. Let's rebuild your inner battery from the inside out, the hidden recharge window. Most people miss between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. Your liver and nervous system go into full recovery mode. This is when your body rebalances hormones like cortisol and testosterone, repairs tissues and cells, clears toxins from your bloodstream. If you're awake or stressed during this window, your system can't recharge properly. It's like unplugging your phone halfway through charging. So the first rule, protect your recharge window. Set an intentional wind-down routine starting an hour before bed. Step 1. The mineral prep, 8:30 p.m. Before bed, give your body the raw fuel for overnight repair. Drink 1 cup of warm water with a pinch of sea salt and lemon. Add a small spoon of raw honey, it stabilizes blood sugar overnight. Snack options. Handful of pumpkin seeds or almonds for magnesium, or a small banana smoothie with almond milk and cinnamon. This helps your body stay calm, nourished, and balanced through the night. Step 2. The calm down trigger. 9:30. Your body can't repair if your nervous system is still in fight or flight mode. Here's a 10-minute nerve relax ritual. Sit on your bed, spine straight. Breathe in slowly for 4 counts. Hold for 4. Exhale for 6. Feel the exhale releasing your day's tension. Close your eyes, place your hands on your heart, and say silently, I'm safe. I'm resting. I'm healing. This isn't meditation, it's biological training. You're teaching your nervous system to shift from alert to restore. Step 3. The magnesium boost massage, optional. If you want to elevate your results, use a natural magnesium oil or coconut oil blend on your shoulders, arms, and feet before sleep. Massaging these areas improves blood circulation and helps minerals absorb through your skin directly to your cells. It's soothing, it's simple, grounding, and soothing, ideal for older adults who want deeper rest and joint relaxation. Sleeping complete darkness. Melatonin, your sleep hormone, is destroyed by artificial light, especially blue light from phones or TVs. So before bed, dim your lights. Use a warm lamp instead of bright LEDs. Turn on night mode on your phone, or better yet, put it away. Darkness tells your body it's time to rebuild. When melatonin rises, magnesium absorption and cellular repair both peak, the energy rebuild effect. After a week on this protocol, here's what many people notice. Waking up without stiffness or fatigue, clearer focus and mental sharpness, fewer cravings for caffeine, stronger motivation and mood. Why? Because you've aligned with your body's natural circadian rhythm, the ancient recovery code written in your DNA. It's not magic, it's biology at its best. The food synergy for men's vitality, men in particular need magnesium paired with zinc, vitamins, and healthy fats to maintain energy, focus, and hormone balance. Smart additions include avocado toast with pumpkin seeds, oats with almond butter and banana, herbal tea with ginger and turmeric before bed. This helps the body produce energy efficiently, not just more of it. The emotional recharge layer. Physical strength means little without emotional balance. Before bed, try this quick practice. Write one thing you appreciated about the day. Forgive one small frustration. Visualize yourself waking up calm, confident, and recharged. This rewires the subconscious, the part of your brain that controls your hormones and mood overnight. Energy is a choice. You don't have to feel old to realize you're running on low charge. But you do have to make a choice to rest smarter, eat cleaner, and let nature take the lead again. Forget endless pills. Your body is an incredible self-repairing system. Give it the signal, the minerals, and the peace it deserves, and it will reward you with the kind of energy that feels timeless. Because real youth doesn't come from medicine, it comes from alignment. At the end of the day, energy isn't about youth, it's about rhythm. Every night gives you a second chance to recharge. But most people never claim it. They rush, scroll, stress, and then wonder why they wake up tired. Your body isn't broken. It's simply waiting for permission to heal. When you create that calm space before sleep, even for 15 quiet minutes, something powerful happens inside you. Your heart rate slows, your breathing deepens, and your cells start to rebuild. That's not luxury. That's human design. Remember, it's not the pill that restores you, it's the pattern. When you nourish your body with minerals, rest, and peace, you reactivate the natural systems that kept ancient generations strong and alert, without supplements or stimulants. It's your birthright to feel clear, capable, and alive no matter your age. So tonight, make a promise to yourself. Put away the phone a little earlier. Dim the lights. Take that warm drink. Stretch gently. Breathe slow. Tell your body, it's time to recharge. You may not notice a miracle on the first night, but within a week, you'll feel a shift. Calmer mornings, lighter thoughts, deeper focus. That's the real sign of youth, not years lost or regained, but energy that flows freely through you again. Let this be your nightly ritual, not for vanity, but for vitality. Because true strength doesn't come from what you take, it comes from what you allow your body to become when you finally give it the rest, respect, and rhythm it deserves. Sleep deeply. Wake renewed. Live young. By choice. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share.